Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Blender tutorials how to make a spring. Okay, to make spring I will use for circle tools. You can delete this cube object, click add, go to cube and select the circle. Now I will move the circle into green axis and you can see the arrows or these origins I will move into 3D cursor. You can right click, go to set origin and then click origin to 3D cursor. So this is the origin will be set into center rotation, and then you can go to modify tools, click in it and click on screw. Now you can set for the axis, you set into X like this. To make it more smooth, you can increase for step view, and then for render you can increase also. The next we need to set for the skew. You can click it, okay, like this, increase into this point, that's enough. And then for iteration you can increase at this point. So we create for this simple spring. Now if you want to apply into mesh, you can right click and then convert to mesh. Okay, that's it for basic Blender tutorials how to make a simple spring. And if you have any question about this tutorial, you can comment below this video.